Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa, turn the lights off.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control, so if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
Instabox W33 is a multifunctional speaker with built-in alarm clock and wireless charging function. It comes with Bluetooth for pairing with your tablet, phone, or other devices, and also features a 3.5mm jack for connecting to non-Bluetooth devices. Instabox W33 will free your hands when the phone call comes. Just press the play button in the middle to answer. Equipped with a radio antenna for local FM radio stations. FM radio function scans from 87.5 to 108 megahertz. You can store up to 20 of your favorite stations. At the top, There is a wireless charging station for mobile phones or other devices with wireless charging capabilities. Set your alarm clock and put your phone on charge before sleep. A 3-inch large LCD with Easy Catch the Number display. 4-level adjustable display brightness for comfortable viewing. Snooze mode allows you to sleep extra minutes after it rings. Instabox W33. Simplify and enrich your life.
We all love summertime, but summer can also bring dry air. A lot of it. All that fun in the sun can cause a lot of dryness and skin irritation, which is something you can't fix just by turning on the AC. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing Levoit's Dual 100 Ultrasonic Top Fill Cool Mist 2-in-1 Humidifier and Diffuser. Americans spend 90% of our time indoors, where the air can be dry even if you're blasting the AC. The Dual 100 combats that dry summer air by spreading moisture up to 206 square feet. So whether you're in the office or relaxing at home, the Dual 100 runs for up to 20 hours, so your air stays fresh and humid. Not to mention its ultrasonic technology makes the Dual 100 quieter than 28 decibels. That's less noise than you'd hear in a library. It also features an intelligent sleep mode, which turns off all display lights and uses a sensor to maintain a 60% relative humidity. If your humidifier runs out of water while you're asleep, it'll automatically shut off. Between the intelligent sleep mode and its near-silent operation, the Dual 100 makes the perfect bedtime accessory. Its innovative top-fill design makes it easier than ever to clean and refill. Just remove the top cover, then remove the water tank, and you can easily wash each part of the humidifier. And that's not even what makes this humidifier stand out. The Dual 100 is more than just a humidifier. It's also a diffuser for your essential oils. If you're in the mood for some aromatherapy, just add a couple of drops of essential oils directly into the water tank. The Dual 100 diffuses the oil to create an environment that stimulates your senses to keep you focused or helps you to relax after a long day. So whether you're trying to add some moisture to the dry air or create a soothing environment with essential oils, the Dual 100 has everything you need to make it through summer and beyond.
Genie S3 Smart Mug User Guide. Open the package and make sure all parts are included. Plug the power adapter into the charging coaster one end and the power outlet on the other end. When the indicator light is on, it means the charging coaster is powered on. Place the mug on the charging coaster until Genie appears on the screen, which means the mug has been activated and the screen will display the real-time temperature. Press and hold the touch button, lock the screen, press again to unlock. Temperature setting, interaction, Bluetooth, and power off. Genie app. Agree to Genie's terms of service. The app would display the mug mode. After unlocking, press on the touch button to switch to the Bluetooth menu. Press and hold until Pair appears on the screen to enter the pairing mode. Then, select the corresponding model, device name, and number. After successful pairing, it will automatically enter the app main page. With Genie S3, the drinking temperature can be adjusted by touch key. After unlocking the mug, select the temperature setting. Press and hold to show the default temperature or the last effective temperature. Press the touch button to set temperature in the range of 35 degrees centigrade to 65 degrees centigrade. When the temperature is set, wait for 3 seconds, and the mug will automatically enter the heating state. The icon on the upper left corner of the screen will rotate continuously. When the beverage is at the target temperature, it will stop rotating. You can also set the target temperature on the app. The temperature will simultaneously display on the mug and the app. There is a multi-scene mode for you to choose specific drinking temperature. You can also add other types of drinks and specific temperatures. You can view the product information on the product information menu bar. Adjust the mug states on the settings menu bar according to your personal habits. Custom selection of breathing light color and brightness. After selection, the mug breathing light will update synchronously. To reset Wi-Fi, enter Wi-Fi name and password and click Save. Enter the recipient's phone number and interactive content. Set the sending time and click Send Now or Schedule to send the content to your own mug or your friend's mug. Turn on the smart alerts. Every 2 hours, the mug will vibrate to remind you to replenish water. After 8 hours unused, an expiration reminder appears on the screen. Turn on the high temperature alert. When temperature of the beverage in the mug is over 51 degrees centigrade, it will vibrate to alert you when you touch the mug. Enable the heating program. Set the temperature, start time, end time, and period according to your living habits. An empty cup symbol appears when the mug is empty. The system automatically starts an overheating protection mode. When the battery mark flashes, please recharge the mug. When the battery is below 10%, the heating function will be stopped automatically. After unlocking, click the touch button to select the power off icon, then press and hold to shut it down. Press and hold the touch button to turn on the mug. Jimmy.
To launch into golf mode, there are 2 different methods. You can either hit the aim button, which will be located on each watch face, or you can also hit the play golf button. So let's go ahead and try out that aim there, which will start searching for your satellites. Once the course is found, it will direct you to proceed to the tee box. And once you're at the tee box, you'll be good to go. The AIM W10 will have the ability to tell you distance to the center, front, and back side of the green. But then it would also be able to show you an in-depth view of the hole that you can zoom and move depending on where you are to the hole. If you would like, you can even get in more depth to see more features and more details of the course. To zoom out, simply hit the minus buttons, and you can go back to your distances. To change the hole, simply press the top icon and swipe either up or down depending on which way you would like to change. Press to confirm. Once you are within your detailed hole view, you're able to see the red arcs, which will be the distance away from yourself, and the blue arcs, which will be the distances away from the green, which we call our dual arc technology. The AIM W10 will also come with green undulation, which will show you the slope of the green, where the red points are going to be the highest points and the blue as the lowest. So if you look at this sample green, there will be a slope to the top going all the way to the bottom, and the brighter the color, the stronger the slope. Now that we're on the green, I can use the green undulation to get a better idea of how my ball is going to break. So let's take a look at how I can make this putt a little better. The W10 comes standard with a scorecard, which will allow you to not only keep track of your score, but your putts as well. To manually adjust the pin location, simply press and hold onto the pin, and once you see the icon come up, you can simply drag and drop wherever you see the pin fit. Not only can you see the distances to the green, but you can also see the detailed hole view, as well as the hazard list, which will give you more information about where you are on the course. To exit golf mode, simply press and hold the button on the side and confirm yes. To lock your screen for your AIM W10, press the power button 3 times, and you'll see a lock icon come up. To unlock your device, press those 3 again and you're all good to go. To change your watch faces, simply press and hold on the screen, and swipe either direction to choose which one you would like to go with.
So I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah, have a good ride, man.
You too. Bye.
See ya.
Exit right.
Hey mate, it's me. Traffic is hectic tonight. I wouldn't head down the high street if I were you.
Okay, thanks. I'll change my route. Hello?
Hey honey, are you close to home?
I'm just around the corner. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
Has this ever happened to you? You're traveling with friends in Berchtesgaden, and everyone has a different adventure planned for the day. Ming wants to climb a mountain and take pictures. David and Anna want to find a river and enjoy the sun. And you just want to find a Rhein-Heitsbad Weizenbad. Because you don't go to Berchtesgaden without trying the Rhein-Heitsbad. The problem is my phone has no service in Berchtesgaden, and I still want to know what my friends are doing. That's why on this adventure, we each brought a GoTenna mesh. Once paired with your phone, GoTenna mesh generates its own radio signal so you can send text and GPS locations using a simple app. No towers, routers, or satellites required. Sent and received. I can send a direct message to David, a group chat to my friends, or broadcast to any GoTenna in the area. GoTenna has great point-to-point communication range, but with this groundbreaking mesh networking technology, it's possible to double or triple your range by hopping through other GoTenna mesh units in the area. You don't even need to know the other users or do anything. It's automatic and private. So I'm able to receive a message from Ming, who's on top of a mountain, because our friends and other GoTenna mesh users act as relay points between us. Imagine using this at a music festival or on the slopes. The possibilities are endless. Unlike traditional communication networks, GoTenna mesh actually gets stronger the more users join it. We call this people-powered connectivity. One more to go, please.